how to take full-page screenshots on iOS 17. So basically, it's similar to our old software on iOS. So what we're gonna do here is to choose the file that you want to take a full page off. But you have to take note that not all. You cannot take full page screenshot to everything. So from the word full page, that means it must be a closed-ended file. So as you can see, this is closed-ended here. That means it had an ending of file. So what you're gonna do here is just the same with the way we screenshot everything. You have to tap on or press on the upper volume. I mean the volume up. And then the home screen, I mean the power bottom. Click on that in same time. And as you can see, you have taken a screenshot here, and you will see an option here that says full page. Click on full page. And as you can see here, you have taken this, been shot here up until the end, and basically tap on done on the upper left. Leave 2 photos here, and let's just check it to our photos. Here in our photos, it actually look like this here in our photos. It actually looks like this. As you can see here, even if we zoom in, it's very clear up until the end of that file. Now, the other way to screenshot is if you have this button here, this moving button, this moving shortcut button, click on that. And here you will see device, and tap on more, and tap on screenshot. Now the same process. Tap on full page, and tap on done on the upper left, and tap on save to photos. And basically, that's how you take full page screenshots on iOS 17. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.